Hi, I'm Brenda, and I thought I would share some of my favorite YouTube channels with you. First, there's this weird channel called My New Me. An extremely strange lady on it, and a super cute cat. Okay, that was a little tacky, wasn't it? Sorry. I needed a lead-in.
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you?
I'm not listing these channels in any particular order. I'm just saying how they came up on my subscription list tonight. And I honestly have no idea how YouTube decides that. Addie might know, but I don't know. But these are channels that I really enjoy watching and have for a while. And with the new monetization rules, I think it wouldn't hurt to show them a little extra love and attention. And none of them know that I'm doing this, so hopefully nobody will mind. Apparently, with a new YouTube monetization rule, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and around 240,000 watch time minutes. So your videos have to have been watched for 240,000 minutes. So even if a channel has 1,000 subscribers, they may not have enough minutes. So I think, giving them a few watches would certainly help. There's a bunch of videos out there about this if you want to look it up. So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail about it, but about the smaller YouTubers. I don't like calling them that. To me, they are not smaller YouTubers. They put a lot of thought, energy, effort, and love into their videos. And to me, that's huge. I don't know how any of these folks feel about this issue or where they stand in the entire situation. So if it can help them, great. If it isn't a factor for them, watching their videos brings me a lot of joy. And so I just want to share that joy with you folks. And if they can get some benefit from it too, even better. Now enough of staring at this page. Let's get on to the good channels. So this channel is called Bandana Gramma. Absolutely love her. The sweetest lady. And she pretty much covers a whole lot of everything. Let's see if I can do this without bumping anything. There's a ton of videos, and I'm trying to do this looking through the phone instead of at the computer screen. But she has a ton of videos, and she covers so many topics. Very, very sweet lady, and she always wears a bandana in her hair. She must have the world's largest collection of bandanas. I really like her. Super, super sweet lady, funny, and I don't know how she does everything that she does. The next is Weirdly OCD. First of all, love the name. He'd been commenting on my videos for several months, and I never even realized that he had a channel, which I should have known. But he covers a lot of different things. He covers life, he covers planners, scheduling. He just recently did a very useful video about how to protect yourself from identity theft. Been able to watch that 5 years ago, since I was a victim. He has a series on his channel called Exploring YouTube, where he features one particular channel that he likes, and he actually did a video about my channel, which I thought was pretty amazing, and he made it look really good. So yeah, he did a pretty good job of it. I will link that video in the description box below, and I will link his channel down there. But I really like him. He's a nice guy. We email back and forth, and he just... Well, it's on the computer, not you. Addie's very jealous that she is not the one that's in front of the camera. Come here. I don't know what her problem is. But check out his channel. He covers a lot of different topics. Cleaning, organizing, life, planners. He tends to cover a lot of everything that I like. He does cooking. He does a lot of different things. He made this amazing no-bake chocolate eclair cake. I keep waiting for him to make one and send it to me. Not really, I'm just kidding. Sort of. No, really. Just joking around, kind of. But it looked pretty awesome. Check out his channel, you'll like it. I really enjoy his channel, I enjoy his videos. Very down-to-earth, straightforward person. And this is for the love of sorted. Love this channel. Love this lady. She is funny, she's sweet. She has 4 kids. I have no idea how she does it. And she is on a journey to get control of her life, herself, her health, all of it. Well, still taking care of a home, supervisor cat. Where am I at here? There we go. And 4 absolutely adorable kids. She taught her kids how to clean the bathroom. I laughed all the way through that video. But she also has a ton of videos, and you will love her. She lives in Australia. She
is just a very sweet, very nice lady, very down to earth, says it how it is, and funny. She really is very funny. Hey, do you have to? So apparently you're going to hear a lot of noises in the background while I'm doing this, because somebody is not the center of attention and she's not liking it. But check Mel out on For the Love Assorted. Give her a subscribe and watch some of her videos. You will love her. And next we have, oops, I kind of dropped, didn't I? Try this. Next we have the DIY Professor. She does a whole bunch of different things. She has hauls, she has crafts, she has cleaning.
She refinished a bedroom set. It's just absolutely amazing. And she's just a nice lady. She has an adorable little grandson that you can tell she may dote on a little bit. I really enjoy her channel. She has a video about depression and grief, and it really, really spoke to me. I will link the video along with her channel in the description box below. Well, I'll link all of these channels, but I'll link that video because it really touched me, really spoke to me. She definitely understands all of these emotions and did an amazing job vocalizing it. But please check out her channel. You will really like it. Just a very nice lady.
And this is the Mama Lounge. She has 2 adorable little kids, and she does a lot of cleaning and organizing and just mom life. She started doing some live broadcasts, which I love. See how far behind I am on my watching. Very nice lady. She does a lot of crafty stuff with her kids and pretty much covers every topic there is, especially with toddlers. She has a little boy who says it's the brother lounge, not the mama lounge. Look. Hey. Well, stop it. Why are you doing this? Come up here. Do you really have to be in the... She doesn't know what she has to be. But I really do like her channel. And she's just a very nice... Her cat talks to her sometimes, like Daddy does. Very nice lady, very down to earth. 2 adorable kids, and she kind of does it all. And this is Homestead Tessie. She has a channel that she's very, I think she calls it primitive. She loves primitive decorating, primitive styles. She lives in a very old-fashioned way. Does a lot of canning, cooking, decorating. She tends to cover a lot of different topics too. But very nice lady, very sweet lady. And she uploads every single day. I don't know how she does it. I have trouble uploading every single month. I'm not sure how she manages to do it every single day. So, but it's Homestead Tessie. Go on over and give her a subscribe and a like and check her out. What? Hi. Yeah, I know. And then we have Hannah the adult. Hannah is adorable. She is a sweet girl. She does a lot of different cleaning, organizing. Young girl, getting her, having her own place and being a grown-up. But she does a lot of hauls and a lot of interesting videos. Funny girl, very sweet girl. I'm sorry, lady. She's a young lady. She is a grown-up now. She is adulting. But you'll like her. I like her. Very, very nice person.
Apparently, no one has told her that adulthood is way overrated. And so she's taken us along with her on this amazing journey. Give her a watch. You won't regret it.
So this is Joanne Swereda. Swereda. I don't know how to say your name, Joanne. I'm sorry. I'm sure I'm butchering it. Please feel free to butcher my name in return. I can't say it. She does a lot of cleaning videos. She does a lot of having her kids clean videos. A lot of her kids messing up right behind after she cleans. But it's funny, you can tell she doesn't see what they're doing. And they're building forts out of the couch cushion as she's trying to organize the rest of the house. The rest of the living room. Cute kids. She's got a whole flock of kids. And she's just a very nice lady. I really like watching her videos. I don't know how she does everything that she does. So please check out her channel. You'll really enjoy the cleaning videos.
And all the other videos that she has. She really deserves way more subscribers than she has. So please give her a subscribe.
And here we have lovely Kid Japan. She lives in Japan. And I once knew where she was originally from. And I don't remember. She's the cutest little boy. Careful, baby. You okay? Almost just fell off the desk. I asked her if she's okay, like she's going to answer. But nice lady, funny lady. And she also does a whole lot of... I apparently have the same range of interests. A lot of people, they do a whole lot of different things that I like to watch. But I like her. Very nice.
And she's just a happy, happy person. You can't watch her videos without smiling.
And here's a newer channel that I've recently found, Drawing with Noel. Amazing artist. You would not believe how well he draws. Like, he plays this very soothing music while he draws it. You know, while he's working on his drawings and paintings, he plays this very soothing music. And it's just, I can kind of almost zen out while I'm watching him. Very relaxing. Very amazing. He's an unbelievable artist. But if you want to relax and unwind and just let your mind go for a while, watch some of his videos. They really, I don't know, the way he can turn a few pencil strokes into a picture just amazes me. But this Drawing with Noel, I think I said Noel and I know that's not it. Drawing with Noel.
And he and I are working together on an upcoming project, which is a secret. That will be revealed in a future video. A very soon to be published future video. And now we'll watch a fat old lady nap in the chair next to me. She was snoring, and Addie is going to be so jealous that Tally is on camera and Addie is not. So, because she'll be impossible to live with if I don't put her on camera, yes, hi. Here's the help I receive while editing.
You know I'm trying to edit, and this is what's happening. You know I'm trying to edit, right? Yes, do you know that? I can't get the videos up when you're laying right here. What do you think?
As I said, these are not all the channels I watch. These are some of my favorite channels, though. I really love the content. I love the thought and effort and work that they put into their videos. You can tell that they really care. And I'm certainly not trying to put words in people's mouths, but hey, more subscribers and more views can never hurt. So, please check them out. I will link all the channels in the description box below and a couple of the videos that I spoke about. Thanks so much for watching. And Addie says hi, of course. Take care and toodles.